Welcome to Virtual Teen Night. Today we're going to be making origami Mario hats. Enjoy! Alright, so we're going to need some origami paper and some letter cutouts. Then we can get started. So we're going to take our first sheet and start folding it. We'd start off by doing a diagonal fold. Then we unfold and do another one just on the other side. Now unfold that one again, and we're going to fold it over in half. And in half one more time. Now we unfold, and we want to make sure that we have all of these lines going down our paper. Once we have those folds down, we want to make a diamond shape with our paper. So let's turn it over a little bit, grab our two edges down here, and then put them in and fold the top down. Now we're going to take that first layer and fold it over the top. Then unfold it and then just fold the very top part over to the middle and then over again like that. Now you're just going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now that both sides look the same, we're going to take the top layer on the right side and then flip it over to the left like a page in a book and flatten it down. Now flip it over and do the same thing. Take the top layer, fold it over to the left and flatten it down. Alright, so now we're going to take the right edge and fold it over to the middle. And we're going to do the same to the left edge, fold it over to the middle. So for this origami hat, we pretty much do the same thing on both sides. So let's flip it over again, fold our right edge over to the middle, and then we're going to do the same thing to the left edge. Now that it looks like this, we're going to grab our bottom edge and then just fold it up as high as it goes, or pretty much to match the little tip at the top. Now flip it over and grab the bottom edge, pull it, fold it up, and now we're just gonna pull that top layer and fold it down. Flip it, and once again, grab that top layer and fold it down. At this point, you're just gonna go to the flat edge, insert your fingers inside, and then prop it open, just like that. And you should be left with two little flaps. So just take your least favorite flap and just fold it over to the inside. And then you'll just be left with one little flap. And then you see that there's a little triangle and rectangular shape. What we're gonna do is just fold the rectangular shape down the middle like this. and then we're gonna fold it inwards because we want to get rid of that part, but we do still want to keep the little triangle part out, so just kind of fold it outwards. And then we don't want our cap to have a little spiky edge, so just fold the little tip over, and there's your little hat. Alright, so now we're going to go to the edges without any flaps, and we're going to do a bit of a triangular fold, and it's just to add some dimension. So grab the edge and then just kind of fold downwards towards the middle, and it's just a bit of a crease, not a full-on fold. And there you go. After this, you just want to add your letter cutout, and you are all done with your hat. I also went ahead and did all the rest of the colors so that you can see what all of our caps look like. Well, that's it for this week's craft tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember you can pick up a craft kit at any of our 3 branch locations. Thanks for joining us.